something like this, maybe.
Yeah, that's.
And you just.
One more. And that's fine.
Guys and gals, this is what you're drinking. Our friend Neil is back again to teach us all about a CMOS punch. So let's get blending.
So Kezzy, we're gonna make your favorite drink right now.
Ting for the back earlier. CMOS punch.
CMOS punch. So, this one is pretty simple and straightforward. You just need one of these bad boys and a couple ingredients and blend away.
Okay.
Alright, so you're gonna have 1 cup of CMOS.
This is CMOS.
Yes, it is.
Well, looking like jelly to me.
Well, it's CMOS jelly.
Okay.
And
Fair enough.
And this is the actual CMOS. So, what you do, you can steep this in some hot water, let it cool, and it'll gelatinize for itself.
Okay.
And come
There you are.
just like what you put in.
All right, sure.
Nice. Next off, 250 mLs or 1 cup of milk, full cream milk.
All in, all in.
All in. Some condensed milk.
Okay.
Let's add a little sweetening agent.
Some sweetness, like me.
I agree.
All right, what's next?
Nice. You just wanna let me see you've been on a couple videos before, right? So I just wanna see your pour this. You see where that line is? We're gonna get like a quarter of an ounce of.
I could just try.
Yeah, quarter of an ounce of vanilla extract. That's fine.
That's good.
That's good.
Okay, guys, I can
Yes.
measure.
So you have some vanilla extract in there.
And you roll it in, and isn't that what you say?
Yeah,
You roll
roll
it
it
in.
in. With-
Right.
With finesse.
Finesse, guys.
And 2 dashes of aromatic bitters. Do you remember how
Okay.
we
So you
dashed?
hold it, something like this, maybe.
Yeah, that's
And you just.
one more. And that's fine. Nice. So just gonna. What I like to do, I like to pulse this drink before adding ice.
Okay. So cover and pulse a little bit.
Yeah.
Got
let's
it.
let's blend all the ingredients. Nice. Now
We
we're
good
just
there?
gonna add some ice to it.
Alrighty.
There we go.
Okay.
So you
Just scoop and go.
just scoop. Scoop.
Why you give this to me?
Okay.
Why you gonna give this to me? You like me to make a mess of myself.
Oh, so you want me to look bad?
This is assistant, okay? You are the assistant bartender here. I am the star here, the star bartender. It come like I teaching you.
Okay, for now. We leave it as that for now.
Fair enough.
So you just want to put like on average 2 full scoops of ice.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's it. Now we're going to blend.
Yeah.
Low, high, medium. Doesn't matter. Just press something.
It all depends on the style of blenders you have.
Okay.
This is a home style blender, so you just want to get a nice consistency, almost like a smoothie style.
All right. No problem.
And that's fine. As long as you don't hear any of your ice crushing again, that means all ice is blended.
I just peep in. How you feel we looking there? We looking proper?
Yeah. Let's taste. Do a little more of the condensed milk.
So what you're saying is drain it. Drain it? No
Yeah.
problem. I'm draining it.
So you just want to add a little of the demerara syrup, just about 3/4 ounces as well.
Okay.
Or you want to roll it in?
I just throw it. I just throw it. I don't
Okay.
roll it. I throw it.
Okay, nice.
And now we blend one more time.
Just gonna add a little more ice.
A little something more.
Yeah, that's
Cool.
about
Cool.
half scoop,
All right.
and we blend away.
One more time. I think we're good to go there, you know.
And what happens with blended drinks is that ice varies, style of ice varies. So it's somewhat difficult to say you're gonna need X amount of ice,
Yeah.
X amount of liquid,
Yeah.
because some ice that we get tends to break down really fast and dilutes
Yeah.
very quickly, whereas some are more solid.
Okay.
So it varies. You have to taste whenever you're using blended drinks.
I like tasting as we go. I like it like that.
All right, so now we're gonna pour all of this
Sure.
right into our coconut mug.
You're fancy on this show, you know? A coconut mug.
All the way up.
All the way.
Nice.
There we go. That's good. That's good. A little schmink more. A little schmink more.
Just a little. Nice. I'm just gonna put 2 dashes of bitters once more.
Please do.
Just 3 for good luck.
And that is it. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize we were getting fancy in here. Guys, we are getting fancy. This is not your basic Seymour's punch. The Seymour's punch have garnish.
This is an elevated punch.
Excuse me.
Now for some nutmeg. Just wanna lightly grate.
Wow.
There we go.
This is Seymour's punch I had to make for my friends. Gotta invite guests over for this punch.
Cinnamon stick. And I just like to go all out.
Okay, Mr. Bartender, Mr. Mixologist.
Just want to spang the mint and
That
make sure that
releases
the
the flavor and the scent.
natural aromas.
Oh,
Just
excuse me.
wake it up.
Got it. And there we go.
You have a black, where's the straw?
I have the straw here ready for the tasting.
So there we go. Our Seymour's punch.
Let's see, guys. Cheers. Creamy, delicious, refreshing. It could take a second sip.
I wish I could partake soon.
So you have to finish this one off. We have to finish this one off.
Definitely.
You go ahead, you go ahead. Tell the people to check out the recipe.
So guys, look forward to these recipes, and I want to see those replica videos online as well.
Yeah, definitely. If you make this recipe, guys, tag us, show us. We want to see. We love hearing from you. Until next time, bye-bye.